What is up YouTube? My name is Aviraj. I teach you guys about dating and how you can become the best version of who you are. So in the last video we talked about how you can create that amazing online dating profile for you. I told you the kind of pictures which you're supposed to use and the kind of pictures which you should never use. We also talked about how to write that amazing bio which is interesting and which grabs her attention. And if you have not seen that video yet, I'm going to put the link in the description box below. You can go there and watch it. And if you have seen that video and you did what I told you to do, you must be getting some matches by now. Which brings us to the next step of the process, which is the first text. So today we will talk about the first text, or you can say how to start the conversation with the girl after matching with her. See, your first text is super important because if it does not grab her attention, your game is already over. And the problem is that 99% of the guys do it wrong. In fact, guys tell me that for them, this is the most difficult part of the whole interaction. Sometimes they spend hours to think of the first text and they still do it wrong. In this video, we will talk about how to start the conversation, what should be the first text, my real life examples of using them and the responses I get by using them. So before I teach you what you have to do, I'm going to teach you what you should never do. And by the way, this is something which most of the guys out there are doing. And the first mistake they make is that they send something very boring. Something like, hi, what's up? Hey, how's your day going? Hi, I like your dress. Hey, what are you doing right now? Stuff like that. These are the things which the girl has already seen thousands of times. If you send something like this, she's going to read the message and move on to the next guy. Remember this. Your goal with the first text is to grab her attention. Second mistake which guys make is what I call writing the novel. This is where guys start sending long messages to the girls and it looks as if they're applying for a job. What they do is that they write their whole life history in like 10-20 lines and the girl is just not ready for that. Or what they do is that they write a sort of love letter in which they're literally begging the girl to talk to them. It takes all of your power away. It kills the interest because there is no excitement left already. And the girl thinks that you send the same text to every girl by copy pasting it because this long messages, they scream that you are needy. They scream that you don't have any girl in your life. They scream that you're not doing anything in your life. That's why you have so much of time to write such long messages. Third mistake which guys make is being too sexual. This is where the guys think that every girl on every dating app is looking for sex and all they have to do is send her a single text and she'll be ready to have sex with them, which is obviously not the case, which is so wrong. See, if the interaction is good, you like the girl and the girl likes you, then it might lead to better things eventually. But if you start your interaction with something very sexual, it is not going to work for you. Send her something which grabs her attention, something short to the point, something which is funny and something which is also a little bit challenging. So now I'm going to share with you the 3 openers which are going to give you great results. Now these are some of my old openers. I have tested them, my students have tested them, and I'm also going to show you the real life examples, the kind of results I get from these openers. The first opener is, hey troublemaker, and this is basically the interesting version of saying hi. Now this is the simplest and the most effective opener when it comes to online dating. I don't know why this just never gets old and it keeps on working. The reason why it works so well because it provokes emotions. Instead of sending a boring hi, you are sending something which is playful. And this particular word, troublemaker, it asks for a response. The girl is going to say something like, why do you think I'm a troublemaker? Or, ha ha ha, yes I'm a troublemaker, how do you know that? Or what makes you think that I'm a troublemaker? Troublemaker, what do you mean? Or something along the lines of that. Grabs her attention and gives her the emotional spike. Now when the girl asks you these questions which I just talked about, you have the opportunity to say something clever because the frame is already positive, it's flirty, the intent is already clear. So you have the opportunity to say something clever and take the interaction in the right direction. Second opener is what I call the observer. Basically what you do is that you look at her profile, you look at the pictures, you look at the bio, you take something out of that and then you send her something funny or something a little bit challenging. Look at her pictures, look at her bio, notice what is written over there, and most of the times you will find some information which you can use to come up with something good. The basic rule of thumb is just don't send a normal compliment. If she has mentioned that she likes to travel, don't send something like, oh, so you like to travel, huh? That is so cool, haha. So yeah, how's your day going? Don't do that. The goal is to come up with something funny and challenging, and it would be even better if you can make it about the both of you. Meaning, whatever you send, it should not be just about you and it should not be just about her. It should be about the both of you together, like what we call the V frames. Take the traveling example again. If she has mentioned that she likes to travel, don't send something like, oh, so you like to travel, I like to travel as well. That is just about you. And also don't send something like, oh, so where have you traveled, huh? That is just about her. Goal is to make it about the both of you. So you'll write something like, if you and I we get along, I'll take you to the hills and I'll show you the best sunrise you'll ever see with a cup of tea. For example, look at this bio. So there is not a lot to work with over here. All I knew was that she's half Afghani and half Sikh. And this is what I came up with. Now when she reads something like this, she's going to think that, okay, this guy, he actually read my bio. And he's not a creep and he's actually funny. Tells her that you actually know how to talk and that you're not sending the same text to every single girl. You just made it special for her. You just made it about the both of you. This is another example. In this girl's profile, I noticed that she's into fitness, that she lifts. And if you're watching this video, dude, you're good. It was actually nice meeting you. I had a great time with you. So yeah, look at what I came up with. This is what I came up with. This is funny and this is about the both of us. This is about me and her. And what you're looking at, this is the entire chat. We exchanged numbers and then we met. This is what happens when you stand out. Things happen very fast. Why? Because rest of the guys are doing the same things. They're doing the same mistakes over and over again. And when you stand out, when the girl can see that, okay, this guy, he's actually different. What you have to do is that, look at her profile. Look at all the information you have over there. Pick something up and make the first text about that. Just remember that it should be funny, it should be challenging, and it should be relevant to the both of you. The third opener is kind of a very subtle push-pull. What you do is that you give her a compliment and then you add a little bit of tease in it. And this is a classic example. You look dorky yet adorable. Just look at the response. And the interesting part is that I did not say something very amazing. I did not say something very great. So why did I get this response? Because nobody is doing this. I am already standing out from rest of the guys. I am providing her good emotions, and whereas every other guy is just sending her compliments. Remember we talked about standing out? This is what it looks like. The purpose is to stand out and not come across as another guy who's just going to give her compliments for no reason whatsoever. And when you add a little bit of tease after a compliment, you stand out. So the first thing which is happening there is that you're giving very less of your power away. Second thing is that it makes her qualify. Third thing is that you stand out because you're not trying to kiss her ass by giving her random compliments like every other guy. You're talking on a very genuine level. Some more examples would be, you are cute, you totally remind me of Pikachu, Pokemon or Mickey Mouse. Another example would be, are you as adventurous as cute you are? And this one is really great because you're giving her a compliment and you're also making her qualify. So this one, fucking gold. These are the 3 Tinder openers which are going to give you great results. Go out, start using them, and if you face any problem, if you have any doubts, go to my Instagram, follow me and shoot me a DM. I would love to help you. Also, if you want to consume more content, short videos which I don't post here, go to my Instagram. You will find a lot of helpful content over there. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. And also, if you have a friend and you think that this video can help him, share this video with him. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay aesthetic.